What's up, traders? It's Eddie Z here, and today I'm going to show you the 5-minute checkup I do on my trading computers every single month. Whether you're using Thinkorswim, NinjaTrader, or TradingView, this is the exact same checkup I have all my clients do, and it's the simplest way to know for sure if your computer is still fast enough for these markets right now, or if it's starting to cost you money. And no, you don't need to be a computer geek or a computer genius, and you do not need to open up the machine. All you need is 5 minutes, and all you need to do is be honest with yourself about the results. Most traders just keep using the same machine day after day, month after month, year after year, and they never stop to ask, is this thing actually still working for me? They just assume it is, or they just don't want to know the answer. And that is a huge mistake, because the markets are not the same as they were just 2 years ago. The platforms are not the same. The level of real-time market data coming in is not the same. And who was talking about AI just 2 years ago? Everything is getting faster, and if your machine isn't keeping up, you're leaving money on the table. And it's that simple. So let's do this. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple steps. Step number 1 is the boot up test. This one is simple. What I want you to do is to restart your computer. This will force everything running in the background to reset, and it'll clear your memory. So follow this procedure I'm about to tell you very carefully. There's a couple of steps here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click that Windows button, and then on that power button, and then you're going to click restart. When it restarts all the way and you get back to the desktop, the next thing I want you to do is to shut the computer down completely. Do not restart it this time. Shut it down all the way. Click start, then that power button again, and then click shut down. Now here's what I want you to follow right away. Once it shuts down, I want you to go ahead and start it back up. But this time, I want you to have a stopwatch or a timer out. I want you to time 2 things. I want you to time how long it takes to get to the Windows desktop and how long it takes to go from a cold start all the way to your platform fully loaded with your workspaces and indicators ready to go. So these are the results you should expect. On that first test, you want to test how long it takes to get to the Windows desktop. And that should be under 30 seconds. And then I want you to time from the cold start to your trading platform fully loaded with all its charts and indicators should take really no more than 90 seconds. If it's taking longer than 90 seconds, you already have a problem. And the reason is that a modern trading computer with a modern SSD and enough RAM should be ready to go in under 90 seconds from a cold start. If it's not, that's a major red flag. It means your processor's struggling, your drives are slow, or you've just got too much junk loading up at startup. And any of those things will hurt you when it counts. Step 2 is what I call the platform lag test. So what I want you to do on this test is open up your trading platform. So again, it doesn't matter whether you're using Thinkorswim, NinjaTrader, TradingView, TradeStation. Just start clicking around. Switch between workspaces. Pop open a new chart. Add a heavy indicator like a volume profile or a VWAP on a 1-minute time frame. Does it feel instant, or is there a little hesitation? Is there a little stutter, a little lag? Be honest, I think you know what I'm talking about. That little half-second delay that doesn't seem like a big deal, but it's there. That lag is the sound of your computer not keeping up. And in the market, a half a second is an eternity. It's a difference between getting your price and getting hit with order execution slippage. It's a difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. Step 3 is what I call the multitasking test. Now let's put some real pressure on this machine. With your trading platform open and those new charts running, I want you to open up a web browser. Open up 10 tabs. In one of those tabs, put on YouTube with a video on it. Play it in 4K, preferably of me. Open up a spreadsheet. Open up your email. Get everything running at once, just like you would on a busy trading day. Now go back to your trading platform. Is it still snappy? Is it still instant? Or is it starting to choke? And this is where most computers fail. They can do one thing at a time, fine. But when you ask them to do everything at once, they fall apart. A real trading computer with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a multi-core processor is built for this kind of parallel processing. It's built to handle all the market data, all those charts, all those applications without breaking a sweat. If your machine is slowing down here, especially with multiple monitors running off of your graphics card, it's not a real trading computer. Step number 4 is the benchmark test, and this is the most important one. And this is where we get the objective truth. Is your computer truly fast enough for trading in today's trading environment? I've built a free benchmark test that you can run right now, and it's the same one we use to test the power of every single machine that leaves our shop. Go to easytrading.pro/CPU and run the test. And for convenience, I put that link in the description. It's totally free. It takes less than 60 seconds, and it will tell you in plain English exactly where your processor stands. And this is your moment of truth. If your score is 45,000 or above, you are in the green zone. If you're actually running 55,000 or more, you're future-proof for a good while. However, if your score is in between 25,000 and 45,000, you're in the yellow zone. You're on the edge, and you're definitely starting to feel that lag, and it's only going to get worse. And if your score is under 25,000, you're in the red zone. You have a serious problem right now. Your computer is a bottleneck, and it's costing you money every single day on every single trade, and you need to do something about it. So there you have it, the 5-minute checkup. Do it every month. It's the simplest way to stay ahead of the curve and make sure your hardware is never the reason you lose on a trade. And if you're in the yellow or the red zone and you're tired of leaving money on the table, then it's time to look at a real trading computer. Go to our website, easytradingcomputers.net. Check out our machines. I also have a fully optimized green zone computer on sale right now. That link is in the description. And lastly, go ahead and download the free Complete Guide to Trading Computers. Again, that link's in the description. Has everything you need to know about getting a fully optimized computer for trading. And dude, why haven't you subscribed yet? Do yourself a favor and slam that subscribe button. I promise to keep generating tips to help you optimize your trading experience. And if you want to see the ultimate computer for trading, then you definitely want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. May the trend be with you.